Hey everyone, welcome to HeroSolve Dev. I am Amin and today I'm going to show you how to build a dynamic and functional items list, a classic project that every web developer needs to master. We are building this entire thing using just HTML, CSS and Vanilla JavaScript. The goal of this project is to be able to add new items to the list, filter the list by search, delete specific items, and clear the whole list as sounds. If that sounds useful, make sure to like and subscribe. And let's get started.
I got lost at night, under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find, under the stars up in the sky. I got lost at night, under the stars up in the sky. Directions hard to find, under the stars up in the sky. I don't know where to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, we're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, but never getting older. Baby, it's you and I. You and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. Oh, you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. Last night, you can't do it peacefully. It won't go without a fight. So when I go, I know you'll follow me. I don't want slamming doors. No, just wait and see. You'll feel it naturally. There's no one else I see. I know you'll follow me. I don't know where to take this, I don't wanna break this. We're living in the moment, we're living in the moment. Your head is on my shoulder, we're never getting older. Baby, it's you and I. You and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. Oh, you and I. Yeah, we're stars in the sky. The silhouette's burning, embers rising high, like a chemical fire. The flame won't die. Intertwine, darling, you and I.
high. With you, I'm heavy breathing. Feels like I'm lucid dreaming. I'm not usually the type to rush into the night. This time I can't be speeding. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, my knees on the floor. I'm begging for more. It's you I adore. You took me to see Versailles in the middle of July. I'm falling to the deep end, giving into my feelings, afraid to go on this ride. I'm scared to crash inside. This time I might be speeding. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more. I'm taking it slow, just go with the flow. I'm taking it slow, but I just want more.
string, are you with me? Feel it. Rushing through me, down more upstream, are you with me?
And that is it. You now have a completely dynamic and functional items list. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and let me know you reached the end by leaving a sweet comment down below.